You know, I have a suggestion for the Maulvis. instead of instead of showing dreams of the slave girls and the conquest, maybe you should spend time better in telling men how not to become stalkers, how not to approach girls that girls end up hating them forever. You know, it just takes like I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 months to stalk a woman, but when you are showing persistent, constant acting like some cheap Bollywood trashy movie, you create so much hate in that woman's heart that she is going to hate you forever. Just like I hate Taki Shirazi and Ali Raza Naqvi forever. I will hate them forever. No matter how many favors they do, no matter how much they try to be nice to me, I will hate them forever now. So, try to tell them how not to be like that, to tell the men how not to become like Taki Shirazi and Ali Raza Naqvi. Tell men how to become a better husband so that they can find wives. It's not me. I know it's not just me that's refusing marriage. There are many women in our community who are refusing marriage. It's not my fault. It's not only my fault. There are tons of women who are refusing marriage. I am not the only one. This is not the 14th century. We are not living in the Arabia, 14th century Arabia. We are living in 21st century America. There are no slave girls. There are no slave girls. You will go to jail. You will go to jail. You will go to jail. Try to invest your time in better instructions on how to become better husband, how to not be so entitled that you think that just because you have desires you deserve a woman. You have to women cannot have physical relations without emotional attachment. If you make a woman hate you, she will never have physical relations with you. This is impossible to have physical relations without any kind of emotional attachment. You have to present yourself in a way that you can form an emotional attachment. That women can have not love you, but at least she likes you. She is not repulsed by you. She does not hate you. I don't know what kind of movies are you watching? 50 Shades of Grey or trashy Bollywood movies. Most educated women, intelligent women don't watch those movies. Most women don't have those ideas of heroes. I don't know where are you getting your ideas from? Are you watching 50 Shades of Grey? That's very un-Islamic movie. That's very inappropriate movie. I didn't watch it, and if you watched it, you should be very ashamed of watching it, and you should be following the examples of the hero of the 50 Shades of Grey. I can assure you, most famous Muslim women didn't even watch that video. Please use your head. Please stop using religion. For God's sake, stop using religion and Ramzan to promote your sick sexual fantasies. For God's sake, have some shame, have some haya, have some shame, have some haya.